So I'm on my way from work and I just stumbled on, I don't even know what I'm looking at. I just stumbled on a bush and they're covered in berries. See? This is one, but it has no berries on. And then there's a whole lot more here. It's a whole lot more. It's just so many. So I just asked someone and they told me that the name Brumbles. Brumbles. They said I should look for a black one and try it. And that they're very sweet. You know, I'm not going to embarrass myself outside. I'm just going to take this home and then we'll try it as a family. So this is a black one. I'll take this one. This is another black one. Actually, there are two. So, Brumbles. Alright, I'll just look for a handful and then I'll take them home. So we have quite a handful here. And let's go home. I have my Brumbles. The name sounds funny. But let's see how it tastes. Let's go home. Hello. Ah, it's nice. So I've washed them and I'm about to try it. I'll start with a small one. I hope I like it. I've even taken off my bag. I'm so excited. It's so sour. Ah. It's sour. I like sour. Let me try another one. This one is sweet. This one is sweet. Asha, Daniel,
yes.
Come and taste something. It's actually not bad. Taste one. Taste it. Do you like it?
Sort of.
Sort of. It's nice. You want some more?
Asha, possibly. Asha, possibly.
You don't. It's not that bad. It's sour. It's sour, but. Very sour.
Like a lemon?
Yes, like a lemon. You guys, we did not like the Brumble in this household, so we shall not be trying it again. But it was good to at least test it out. Alright guys, I'll see you guys later. You guys, I'm on my way to work right now, and today I'm doing something that I've never done before since I started working. I'm taking the bus to work. So I'm about 4 minutes early and I'm just chilling.
Somebody's buying polo. Somebody's buying polo. I need you not today. I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares.
At my first stop now, and the waiting time is 10 minutes. Please, what will I be doing 10 minutes in the town center? I have no idea. I just saw my co-worker, but the waiting time is 10 minutes, but we're heading in the same direction. So you guys, let's tour the town center for 2 minutes. All right. even too hot to be exploring. I feel too hot right now. 10 minutes, please come and go. Almost everyone is running shirtless on the streets. Alright, so a little explanation. There's one bed picking something by my leg. Oh yeah, sorry. Alright, so a little explanation as to why I'm in Mufti today. It is piping hot today. See that noise that they were shouting? It's hot, oh, but it's the end of the world. See, today is the second day, and today is been the hottest of the 2 days. So we're not under any obligation to put on our uniform today. So that is why I'm in this. So yes, you guys, a lot of people will be, I know the day staff were already in Mufti. They didn't even put on their uniform at all. So with the night staff, we are taking over in Vicky's Vicky's words, I beg. So yeah, you guys, it's crazy. It's crazy. You get so used to the cold weather that this heat is now so unbearable, and you're not shouting along with them. Yeah, so it's actually quite understandable. And on top of that, you see, the thing is, in my workplace, they have refused to put off the central heating. So it is now hot on top of central heating. So it is like double tragedy. It's terrible. Enemy of progress. Anyway, you guys, so that is the status update. That's the situation update right now. I'm just waiting for my bus. It should be here any moment now. So yeah. But it will be funny. I missed the bus. I stood at the wrong stand. Can you imagine? After many months in this country, I stood at the bloody wrong stand. Now I have to leg the rest back to work. What I wanted to avoid in the first place. Hey guys, I'll see you when I get to work. I'm angry with myself at the moment.
Somebody's crying, Bolo. Somebody's crying, Bolo. I need you love today. I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares.
You guys, see today I'm going to work and I intend to resign today.